I can't grow a beard, but I'm still happy.
You tried everything to grow your beard and it's not working. This video is for you. Welcome to Ria'sbeauty Self-Care Academy, where we glow on low budget. No beard is less equal to handsomeness. No beard is less equal to value. Some of the finest, richest and most respected men on earth can't grow a full beard. Your face is not unfinished if you do not have your beard. The girls don't care as much as you think. Ask 10 girls, 7 will say I like clean shaved guys. Only 3 will say I like guys with beards. You tried, that's masculinity enough. Masculinity is not beard hair, it's discipline, it's trying, it's providing, it's protecting. You have been trying for 6 months to grow that beard. Now use that same energy for gym, for business, or for your mindset. Your future wife will thank you. Clean shaved guys equals to more advantage. They won't tell you this. No beards equals to no dandruff. No beards equals to no beard acne. And no food stuck on your beard at dinner. You look younger, you look cleaner, job interviews love you. I cannot guarantee 100% results because genetics decide. The one remedy to grow your beard is rosemary oil. Will rosemary oil give you burner board beard? If your genetics say no, then no. It works for 3 out of 10 men who already have follicles. The biggest reason your beard won't grow is genetics. Confidence beats a beard guy. A clean shave, healthy skin, and confidence will always look better than an untidy beard. Can rosemary help? Research suggests rosemary may support hair growth for some men who already have active hair follicles. It won't create new follicles if genetics say no. How to use rosemary for beards? Mix 3 drops of rosemary and 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Massage it into your beard's area. Use it for 3 to 4 nights every week. Leave it overnight and wash your face in the morning. Important safety tips. Never use pure rosemary oil. Always patch test first. Don't apply rosemary before sun. And do not go close to pregnant women. Keep away from cats and dogs. If it works for you, congratulations. If it doesn't, remember, genetics is the CEO. Subscribe to Ria'sbeauty Self-Care Academy for affordable hair care, self-care and skincare tips. Class dismissed. Thank you for watching. Remember, Sade said, beauty will no get care. Now, those go cover am.